IRINOX is a very focused company and we want to be specialists. To be recognized as the leading brand is always better than to follow up a leader. And there was the need to go nationwide in a different approach with a different result, and so we met with SKOPE. Few things happened in that year and we end up marrying together, so to speak. And it's already 3 or 4 years that we are cooperating. This is the blast freezer. As you see, they use it here to harden the surface of the ice cream. Any blast chiller in the market, usually they provide you with 2 chilling cycles. They call it soft and hard. And they provide you 1 or 2 freezing cycles. That's it. So you bring the food at +3 or -18. Now, we start thinking about it in a different perspective. If I cook the food in different way, why should I chill it always in the same way? I should also chill it in different way. And so 2009 we came up with this line called multi-fresh. We started to put some specific cycle for specific family. So if I give you 2 chilling cycles, the sort of delicate and strong, basically the food is put in 2 big categories. Whatever it is delicate and whatever it is strong. But within this big category, I can split them in smaller ones. And that's where we came in with the, we call them first dynamic cycle. Okay, the dynamic mode with the dynamic cycle. So for example, each machine can be preset to work in different sectors. So if I'm working in gastronomy, the cycle that I can pick from will be pasta, rice, meat, fish, typical product from the gastronomy. But if I'm working in pastry, I will change the setup of the machine, and as magic, instead of having pasta and rice, I will have croissant, mignon, cream. So different sector, different recipe or process. It is split in gastronomy, pastry, bakery, and ice cream. If you put them all together, you have probably around 100 different processes preset inside the machine. Besides this, you can also customize them the way you want. So the concept is with the multi-fresh, you adapt the machine to work to the way you work, rather than you to change your process in the kitchen to adapt to the machine result. This is our holding cabinet. We call it sipping multi. Multi because it be sort of multifunctional in terms of conservation. It can work from +15 to -25 degrees. And when in positive, we can control the humidity inside from 40% to 95% in 6 different steps. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 95%. We talk about relative humidity, so we don't steam anything inside, we don't put any additional, we just work with the humidity of the product. The board control is on top of here. Here, this number tells you how many times you have been opening the top door or the lower door. Because if you open the lower door, you have more hot air that goes inside in the closing when you do this. And so it affects more the stability of the temperature and make the compressor work more. Also, people that take out food from the lower door need to bend, and so it's more difficult for back and injury. You know, people is getting more and more careful about this. So it's important that we notice that the fridge is used more on the top area rather than in the lower area. We have also 3 preset settings inside it. We call it positive, negative, and chocolate. Each level can hold 2 trays 60-40. You can have additional level or change the distance according to what you need. The way they work here, they put the label probably is the day that they made it, or they put inside, and the product they have in the same level. So this product is frozen because the temperature is -18. So what happened is working with a certain process, you can prepare in advance, keep it frozen, and then you throw it in the outside, and then you put it out for sale. So you can have a beautiful big display with many different kind of things without killing your chef to prepare every day so many different products. This machine, even if it looks that big, is a single phase unit. The consumption is around 1.5 kilowatt and you need 1.7 amp connection. It can also be supplied with a glass door in case you prefer to see before opening the door where your food is. The compressor and the refrigeration is on top, can also be taken outside as a remote. The evaporator is here, and underneath here there is the tray that collects the water of the condensation, and there is a pipe that goes down like this.
So it can actually punch down at the back?
Yes. The machine can do chilling, freezing, thawing, holding, regeneration, low temperature cooking, proofing, and pasteurization. If I want to do a chilling, I already have all the choice of chilling. So we have the simple, the standard +3, and then we have other family of product in here. Then the next step, of course, will be for me, if I am a user, this plate in my hand, what is this? This is a quiche. Oh, I have quiche. Casserole. I press it and I want to use the core probe, so I will tell the machine, I put my core probe inside, and of course I will push the start. When the cycle is finished, 100%, it tells me cycle completed. Okay. I have
give it a name.
I can give it a name. I save it, and I will find it into the favorite. If we look at the way it is designed, we can see it from the setting. You see, each phase I can change all of the three, the way I find more suitable for me. The machine will tell me, hey, in 20 minutes you have to remove this product from level number 2. And when this will be over, it will tell me, hey, the next one is. So as long as I can put in, and I memorize it, the machine will give me an alarm reminding me this product is ready. When I have big production and the user, the people working in the kitchen is not so qualified, I can prepare a certain number of preset cycle with the name of the product that you want, so that the job from the user will just be to say, okay, this product is noodles, find noodles, push noodles. When you modify, if you push permanent, you will permanently modify this cycle for your use. So you customize your machine while you use it. The machine can be connected through Wi-Fi. You can connect your machine in your network. One solution. Second solution, you can connect your smartphone to the IP of the machine and download the data through it. Yeah. And we also provide, of course, the software to read the data and to print the report for the ASAP requirement. So you can have a table, we tell you how long it took you to do the job, if people open and close the door, this kind of thing. The point is, easy to use and easily adaptable to what you need to do.